Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair. This is a quick functionality pro video for LG YSUS board EBR73712701 that was sent and took us longer than usual to repair. I'm focusing on some unique marker that the customer can use to recognize that this is the same board as the one that they will receive. I have missed the screw here. We have not put a sticker yet on the board, but hopefully those stamps will be quite sufficient for the customer to see that the board has been working. It failed yesterday on a first try. We believe we have identified some batch of Chinese scrap parts that have just been remarked and high voltage and high ampere, high power switching transistors, so those have to be replaced with different ones. But that's it. The board is working and it will be returned back. All of those heat sinks are warm, something that I cannot show, but something that is very important when testing sustain boards, particularly Y sustain boards. Actually both Y and Z, but particularly Y, so that one knows that the energy recovery circuits are working fine and the board wouldn't get overloaded in a couple of minutes and blow again. This has been going on for about 15 minutes now. All the heat sinks are warm, which means all the circuits are functioning, and that's one way to check it, of course. Scope is another, but that's it. The board is working and it's on its way back. Thank you.